awesome ideas to help you elevate your ice cream game to another level. Ice cream sandwich cake is the easiest cake you probably aren't making. You just need 12 ice cream sandwiches, whipped cream, and caramel sauce. Here's how to make this awesome, easy ice cream sandwich cake. Place 3 ice cream sandwiches on a plate. Spread caramel on the top, and then add 3 more ice cream sandwiches. Spread caramel sauce on top again, then add 3 more ice cream sandwiches. Do the same process 2 more times. Cover the whole thing with whipped topping. Make sure the whipped topping extends to outside edges for the best appearance. If you'd like. Then, place the cake in the freezer for several hours until it's nice and firm. Slice it up. Is for caramel ice cream and apple lovers. Take 1 apple and a melon baller. You just have to cut off the tops of your apples and hollow them out with the melon baller. Take your time to do it. And here's your apple bowl. Now open the caramel ice cream and take a big scoop of ice cream. Add a scoop of ice cream to each apple bowl and take your pick. You can decorate with sprinkles too. You are just 3 ingredients and about 30 seconds away from this amazing dessert. All you have to do is twist open an Oreo cookie. Then take a spoon and remove the cream inside. Do the same process with all the cookies. Open some ice cream. In this case, I chose coconut flavor. Add a scoop of ice cream in between the 2 cookies, and as a result, you have a very delicious Oreo ice cream cookie. You can decorate it with chocolate chips or dunk it in some sprinkles. has a healthy, or shall I say, not so healthy obsession with chocolate chip cookies. And if we mix it with ice cream, nothing could go wrong, right? So, how about we make some chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwiches? First, you have to slice up the ice cream. Put one cookie on the top, another one below, remove the ice cream tub, and you have your ice cream sandwich. Put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to set, and then enjoy! Oreo ice cream is actually pretty easy to make. It only requires 3 ingredients, and you don't need an ice cream maker. Amazing, right? The only ingredients you need for this recipe are 1 package of Oreo cookies, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. You can totally lighten this recipe up by using half a can instead of adding all of it. The ice cream just won't be as creamy. Later, you can pour some water on it to make it more liquid or milk. It's your choice. Beat all the mixture with the blender for a few minutes. Add 2 spoons of sugar, and whip it again. Slowly stir in the sweetened condensed milk. And whip until creamy and smooth. In order to have Oreo ice cream, you will need to add some Oreo cookie chunks. You will need to crush enough Oreos to fill about 1 cup. All we have to do is take a gallon-sized zip-top bag to place some cookies, and close it. Once we have all the cookies inside, we have to use a smasher for cooking, or a rolling pin, to crush Oreos into medium-sized chunks. It's better not to crush them into fine crumbs. Et voila! We have our Oreo ready. Now we have to stir them into the cream and mix for a few minutes until thickened. I used a spoon to make sure the crushed Oreos were mixed in well. The ice cream will be soft and creamy. For a firmer consistency, transfer ice cream to an airtight container and freeze for 2 hours. Once frozen, scoop and serve. With these ice cream hacks, nothing can stop you from enjoying your fave treats. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome hacks, or leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.